Hey guys, welcome to this unboxing of the A13 tablet. Um, and I would say non-in-depth review of it because I'm sure there's a lot of videos out there that are gonna cover for this thing. So I feel like there's no need to do it. But yeah, let's just get started. It's a nice box. Let's check the back. Very nice. And as you guys can see up here, it lists, I don't know, I would say the majority of European countries. But the thing is, I live in Canada, so Umidigi was nice enough to swap the plug that came with this, because apparently um, they only ship it or sell it to, or as of right now, they're only shipping it or selling it to European countries or countries that use European plugs. Um, so yeah, um, they asked me if I wanted to get a refund, but I said no. Just I'd rather get the U.S. plug. Anyways, yep. So here it is. It came with the U.S. plug. Pretty nice, actually. Show you guys the info, cable, and the key. And here's the tablet. Looks really nice. Wow. User manual. Yes. Let me show you guys all sides. I'm guessing this is the audio jack, speakers, USB-C, a slot for the, I guess, SD cards. On the top, you got the, I guess, the antenna bars, and I don't know what that is. Maybe a microphone, power and volume buttons. And on the other side, speakers, more speakers. And on the bottom, probably another microphone. Okay. And this is Android 13. However, I think with many new Umidigi products, there's a chance that this tablet will have Android 14 once it comes out. let's check YouTube. I'm watching videos.
Ready? Yes. Henry.
So yeah, the image quality for the video and the audio sound pretty good. Now let's test out the cameras. Okay guys, this is the back camera, 1080p, 30 frames per second. Beautiful shot of the Canadian outdoors ish. This is raw footage and raw audio as well. I'm not using any external microphones. Okay, now this is the front facing camera, 720p, 30 frames per second. What do you guys think? Just show you guys a shot of it. Okay guys, I found one flaw for this tablet, or not the tablet itself, but the the case or the cover. Okay, so you see how it's closed right now, and when you open it, right, it's closed right now, and when you open it, like the screen should, okay, yeah, the screen should open, right? No problem. But as you're using it, like let's say you're holding it with your hands, when it hits the back, it's going to turn off. Watch. See that? Watch. Let it loose. This could be a problem. So let's say, for example, if you're like using the tablet to maybe work on something, or maybe FaceTiming with someone. And I've tried looking in the settings to see if there's a way to turn it off, turn this feature off, but I couldn't. So if you guys find a way to do it, please let me know in the comments. I mean, it's not really a big deal. It's just I gotta remember to keep this flap, this flipper, on the tablet at all times when I'm using it with my hands. Because I also bought a tablet stand so that I can use it when I'm laying down on a bed. And yeah. Or if Umidigi, if you guys are watching this, if you know if you know where in the settings for me to turn this feature off, I would love to know. But yeah, other than that, um, just been I've been tinkering with this tablet for a few minutes now, and seems like a pretty good tablet so far. Yeah, I would highly recommend it because, as you guys know, Umidigi is known for quality and affordability. So yeah, thumbs up. Thanks for watching.